Joshua Lopez, owner of Bark and Blue Pet Grooming Cafe in Barangay Katasigan, Pasig City. Visit us and you will experience pet grooming and you can chill in our cafe. Also, don't forget to watch Patalks sa DZAR every Mondays to Fridays, 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Thank you everyone and see you there.